what is monk mode? Monk mode would be the equivalent of Bruce Wayne escaping Gotham and leaving behind all the noise, all the gossip, all the chatter, all the distractions, weed, women, alcohol, porn, video games, and you're gonna cut out all that crap for the next 90 days, and you're gonna replace them with 3 healthy non-negotiables. And when I say non-negotiables, I mean non-negotiables. I don't care if you're tired, I don't care if you're sad, I don't care if you're sleepy, if it's raining, if the markets are crashing, if the sky is falling, if your girlfriend just broke up with you, you're gonna get it done, no matter what. This is the level of discipline that I'm expecting from you. 30 minutes of exercise, 15 minutes of meditation, and no alcohol or weed.